first thing I'd like to say is that this gentleman is very honest. I called him out to do a two-story building, and he looked at it and he said, "Well, I'm sorry, but if I were to do this, it would be overkill because this doesn't need any more." That really surprised me. I've only had one other person do that, I think, in my life. And the reason I was getting a price from him is because in about 2012, we did our house. The bills were running $600-700 every month, and it's cut it down to $3. Now that's more than what they're even not saying that it cuts, but it cut ours down to $3. We've done one of the school buildings, and now he's just finished the second one, and we've got about 5 more buildings for him to do that we will be doing with him, because it does really save us some money and it will pay for itself in the long run. Thank you.